नहीं, मेरे में पहले से नहीं था यार, मेरे में उखाड़ के आया है।
So how will it make a major impact?
Sure. That is a good question. See, हर चीज में ना मैथ्स है बिजनेस में. BCCI has sold IPL rights at 52 crore rupees per match. ठीक है? Out of that 52 crores, they give 50%. 50% they give to IPL teams, right? So roughly 25-26 crores per match goes to the IPL teams which are playing. Okay. So per team, because 2 teams will play in a day, so per team कितना हो गया? 13 crores. Okay. Fantasy happening in the country per match day is 400 crores. Now understand why I chose this space. Right? So what? In a normal fantasy game, what happens is, जो 100 करोड़ रुपए, let's say एक पॉट बना 100 करोड़ का, 80 crore goes back as winning, 20 crore the Dream 11 or MPL keeps as its share. The way I have designed my app, 80 crores will go as winning, I will keep 10 crores, and 10 crores will go to the players playing on the match. Someone has to make the move. So I have made that move and I'm very clear I'm going to give that 10% away. Now, to start with, that amount would be small, right? But if I get market share, that amount will become big and significant even for every player. See, if you think of it from a player's perspective. He is doing what he is doing. He doesn't need to do anything additional. He doesn't have to go in front of the camera. He doesn't have to do song and dance, right? He doesn't have to act. He simply performs what he knows best. And end of the match, he will get a check or a credit into his bank account without having to deliver anything additional. Right? Now, if this becomes a market practice, BCCI revenue, which is 52 crores, will double and become 52 plus 40 crores. Because 400 crores का अगर 10% पूरी market देने लग गई, 40 crores gets added. I don't think BCCI has a plan through which they can increase their revenue by 80% by doing nothing, right? So I am giving it to them on a platter.
And how are we expecting that big players who are at a very high stage to come onto the app? Is it like
बहुत simple है. No. Very interesting. I do not have any contract with any player. आप समझो how is it working? It's prize money. जैसे मैच खत्म होता है ना, तो कोई 2 अंकल खड़े होते हैं चेक लेके 2 लाख रुपए का. That 2 lakh rupees prize money means nothing to the player. It's given only to one player, right? What I am saying is, let's say I have kept a pot of 10 crores aside. When the match will end, everyone has earned certain fantasy points. So let's say Virat Kohli ने उस दिन 200 fantasy point earn करे, and all 22 players combined have earned 1000 points. So 20% of the overall points have been earned by Virat Kohli. So Virat Kohli will get 20% of the 10 crore pot. He will get 2 crores. So all 22 players will get the money. Now, for getting the money, they have to do nothing. I have no contract with any player. I will not have a contract with any player.
you don't have to be on the app?
No. Because the moment you have a contract, it becomes match fixing. Understand? See, contract क्या होता है? आप कुछ करोगे, मैं कुछ करूँगा, ठीक है? So, if I am giving you money for performance and you are supposed to perform under the contract, then it can be construed as match fixing. What am I saying? I am saying I am giving you as a gift. Under income tax, I am giving it as a gift. I don't need anything in return from you. I don't even want a thank you from you.
creating hype rather than adding value to it. So this is also similar among all the influencers also. So they are famous for a particular period of time and soon they vanish into the thin air. So what are your thoughts on that?
See, first of all, this concept of adding value, right? ये ना लोगों की misconception है कि value add नहीं हो रही. I'll tell you, when I started Bharat Pay, Paytm already had 1 crore QRs in the country. Okay, and people used to tell me कि तू कर क्या रहा है? बिल्कुल ही भाई Paytm के against you cannot stand. They were a $16 billion company already when I started business. What did I do? In the country, I made QR connection 0% MDR, saying no merchant will have to give any fees to the payment company to receive money. That was my contribution to the economy. Yeah. If you're talking about the Indian economy is what 2-3 trillion. 2-3 trillion पे 2% बचा के I've added enough value, you know, for a lifetime, right? Again, today people are saying, अरे cricket पे it's like Dream 11 MPL कर क्या रहा है, ठीक है? But tomorrow or 4 years down the line, right? When you will see every player getting paid for every run scored or every wicket taken, right? That will be my value to the cricket. Now, as far as influencer is concerned, yeah, see, I have a very drastic view on this. Why does everyone intellectualize everything? Because entertainment is for consumption. I myself am super active on Instagram. If you do watch my reels, I do a lot of comedy on Instagram. Right? Is it value destructive? How is it value destructive? बॉस मैं अगेन कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, मैं कुछ और बकवास काम नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है? मेरे को दिन में 10 मिनट मिलते हैं टू sort of unwind, right? And if I use my camera to unwind and I make you know, millions of people across India also have a laugh at it, how is that value destructive, right? And you are absolutely right, yeah? Fame, influence on social media is a perishable commodity, right? People consume it for a certain period of time, then they lose appetite for it, then they move on to something else, right? But doesn't mean that for that period of time you cannot enjoy it, right? So I am blatantly proud of being an influencer. And by the way, let me tell you one thing. In last 1 year, I have made more money being an influencer than I ever made in my life in any year.